Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello, everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, and we are having a lot of news today. But the major news is at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so be cautious. And let's move to the charts. Chart might be the mess right now. No, uh, this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we see is that the price reacted somewhere over here and moved into the downward side. Currently, we are having this FVG, and it was a BPR I was always waiting for being mitigated, but it is still left, and I am anticipating that most likely we can go all the way down here. Let's see how the market reacts. Let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, the anticipation gets weight because we are having this mitigated leg. Everything over here is mitigated. So I'm anticipating that this will be a weak low and the price can come all the way down till this higher time frame BPR, that is monthly. So for now, what we have here is want to explain is that this was the FVG and it should have been respected. Price tried to move upside, but then we failed and moved into the downward side. So for now, this will be the candle which will be my flip zone. And right now, everything here is mitigated. So today's market close will be really important because today is 31st July. And if we get a close below the structure, most likely uh, it will be our strong zone from where the price can possibly reverse back into the downward side. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is what I was explaining, that this became the flip zone of the market and it is a breaker block. The price tried to move up, but it failed and we came all the way down. So, right now, the nearest target I see is this equal lows sitting right here. And for this breaker block, it is already mitigated. The price moved into the upside direction, mitigated it, and then moved into the downward side. I'm little blabbering. So let's move to the 4 hours now. When we see the 4 hour, what we see is that the price mitigated this FVG, and this FVG has already been mitigated by this candle over here. So still there is something which is holding the price right now. We are having equal lows, and I'm still in the bearish side, so I'll be considering this high as a strong high for now, and I will be anticipating that we are having this range to work inside. So let's move to the 2 hours. Nothing much into the 2 hour. Let's move to the 1 hour. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that the price mitigated this FVG and then moved into the downward side, and we are having this BPR which pushed the price, and more likely it has already been tested. So I'll be anticipating that if we move into the downward side, most likely this candle will turn into the flip zone and we can possibly move into the downward side. But for now, nothing much is clear. Either we can go up or down. So for that, I'll be needing some kind of clarity into the market. Let's move to the 15 minutes for now. As we move into the 15 minutes, we see that the price was moving up. We disrespected some kind of a upside momentum and then we came down. So the price is moving down, but still, if we break below the Asia low and we sustain it, as in we get a close below it in the 15 minutes, what I'll be anticipating is that this high will become as a strong high, and then I'll be looking for shots into the lower direction. That is, of course, shorts. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that if two scenarios right now is in my mind, that possibly we can go upside direction, do some session manipulation, move up, mitigate this level, and then respect this FVG, and then move into the downward side towards the higher time frame levels. Apart from that, if that doesn't happen and we get a close below the structure, most likely, I'll be anticipating that this high will be the strong high, the price will manipulate something over here, and then we will be going into the downward side from this level. But right now, I think that bullish side is the best side, the lower time frames. But uh, till here, till we mitigate this level, it will be best for to actually wait, and then I'll be waiting for the price to show its momentum into the downward side. So this is what I'm anticipating right now. Do write me into the comments that what are your analysis for today, and how are you seeing the market, and what are your key levels. Till then, meet you in the next video.